Aditya Pancholi. I am from Kota, Rajasthan. I am based on Udaipur. I am looking after Charbhuja Loop. I have 8 years of experience, 3 years in cement plant, 3 years in smelter plant. And since January 2019, I am working in ExxonMobil Lubricants. Here I am serving cement, textile, mining and C&I segments. My hobbies are reading religious book, singing.
Hey everyone, I am Vinayak Kalburgi from Bangalore. I work for distributor Ponpure looking after Karnataka region. I have experience of around 7 years wherein I have served industries like bearing and steel. I am working with ExxonMobil since 6 months, currently serving industries like steel, cement, raw materials, mining, C&I and process industries. My hobbies include singing, playing guitar. One thing what I like about ExxonMobil is extensive support from the technical team and extensive on-job learning.
Hello everyone, I am Shubham Pandey from New Delhi. I have been working for NAS Marketing as a DLE for industrial business and also working with ExxonMobil OEM and fleet team. I have started my career from here. I have total experience of 3.5 years as a DLE role. Here I am looking after every industry like cement plant, steel plant, general manufacturing industry. My hobbies are playing outdoor games.
Hello everyone, myself I am Rukmadan Kumar. My native is Tirupur, Tamil Nadu, based on Chennai. My distributor is Star Industrial Product Chennai. I have total 3 years experience, 2 years in Maruti. I have been in ExxonMobil February 2019 as a DSC. I am handling customers like paper industries, tire industries and injection molding customers. I am very much interested in inspections and root cause analysis activities, and my hobby is playing cricket.
Everyone, myself V. Saishwar, native of Hyderabad. My distributor is Rajdeep and Associates, taking care of the region AP, Telangana and Gulbarga. From last 2.5 years, I am working with ExxonMobil with the sectors of cements and general manufacturing.
My name is Shaunak Shashwal. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. Along with ExxonMobil, I am working in tandem with Selector Petromac, which is our distributor. Previously, I worked for the Shipping Corporation of India as a marine engineer for 2 years. And my hobbies include reading, public speaking like debating and quizzing. One fun fact about me would be that I can read, speak and write proficiently in German.
Hello everyone, I am Anurag Shende. I am based in Nagpur and my distributor is Suruti India Private Limited. Geographically, my territory is quite large from Maharashtra to Madhya Pradesh, and majority of my customers are from cement, mining and construction industry. Recently, I have completed 1.5 years in ExxonMobil as a technical support engineer. What I like about this job is being on the technical side, we are not just giving lubricant as a commodity, but creating or adding values to the customer by giving lubricant solution. I love to read about the human origin and neuro-linguistic programming. This may sound crazy, but whenever I am stunned by the work, the only thing I personally do at that moment is to sleep, and sleeping is my favorite pastime.
Company and handling Pune and Goa region. I carrying an experience of 5 years from Escape India as an automotive application engineer. I joined ExxonMobil in January 2020. I found of playing cricket and underwater diving.
Hi, I am Prasanna Venkatesh. I am from Tamil Nadu, Trichy. I am working for Super Transport Trade Limited, looking after Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. My total previous experience is 3 years in sugars, and in ExxonMobil is around 5 years. I like this role because I like to learn more about application and troubleshooting. My hobbies is traveling and playing chess. My talent is to make ability to make friends. And fun fact is I love to watch cartoon channels. Thank you.
I am Anupam Singh from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. I am working with GK & Sons Automobiles Private Limited, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and looking Chhattisgarh territory. My total working experience is 6 years in various sectors as automobiles and energy. And now with EM, I am working since last 1.5 years. Due to I believe in take up challenges and look for more and more technical knowledge, I like my current role. Reading books, playing and watching cricket, listening music are my hobby.
Everyone, I am Amit Kumar Singh from Odisha. I am working for distributor Delta Technica for Odisha region. I have over 7 years of experience in automobile service and OTR tire service. I am working for EM from past 5 months with lots of learning. I like my current role as DSC because it gives me exposure to various industries with huge learning experience. My hobby is playing cricket. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Akash Dwivedi. I'm from Mumbai, looking after Mumbai region, and I have 1.5 year of working experience in glass manufacturing industry and automobile industry. And my hobbies are listening to music and swimming.
Hi everyone, this is Kalyan Gopi from Mumbai. I am taking care of distributor MJ Chemicals. I have 6.5 years of experience in lubricants, including maintenance, business development, sales, and as a technical support engineer. My hobbies are driving, reading.
Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Bobate. I am from Nagpur. Currently I am associated with the Gurudev Sales Corporation and I am looking beyond for the entire Vidarbha territory. I have total 3.5 years of the experience. I have completed total 7 months in ExxonMobil. The reason I like to work with the ExxonMobil is that from starting I get me that opportunity to work in a diverse condition. Talking about my hobbies, I love to read books and I am also the badminton player.
Everyone, I am Utsav Tiwari, native of Hyderabad. I work for Rajdeep and Associate and look after Hyderabad region. I have 1 year of work experience with ExxonMobil in GM and plastic. I like my current role as DLE because I get to learn a lot about every industrial sectors, and my hobby is to do yoga and exercise. I am a multitasking person and I am jovial in nature.
Hello everyone, myself Kunal Shah. I am from Purnia, Bihar. My base location is Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. I am looking for Modi Sales ANC, which is my distributor. I have 3 years of experience in lubrication system. I am serving in cement, steel and mining industries. My hobbies are learning something new day by day and watching movies.
Hey everyone, I am Rizwan Qureshi from Chhatarpur, Madhya Pradesh. I work for distributor Godavari Industrial Products Private Limited, looking after Kanpur region. I have an experience of 6 years, in which 1 year experience in Honda two-wheeler and 5 year experience in Sandvik and Atlas Copco, heavy earth moving mining machinery. I am working with ExxonMobil last 1 year. Currently serving industries like C&I, mining, cement, plastic sector, leather division. My hobby is playing cricket, eating.
My name is Manjeet and I am from Kota, Rajasthan. Basically, I have total 5 year experience in industrial sales.
Hello everyone, myself Arindaj K from Kerala, based on Surat, working for distributor Mars Petrochem Private Limited. I have total 3 years experience, 1 year in L&D, 1 year in Apollo Tires. I have been in ExxonMobil since April 2019 as a TSE. I am handling customers like paper, chemical and tire industries. I am very much interested to do inspection and analysis activities. In free time, I used to play mobile games.
Hello, my name is Himanshu Nath from Guwahati, Assam. I am working for KN Traders and looking over Northeast India region. I have a total experience of 3 years in power generation and quality control sector. I have joined ExxonMobil in January 2020 and I really appreciate the mentorship that I have been receiving in this organization. My hobbies are traveling to new places and listening to music, and it's funny but I like to eat a lot.
Myself Anu Kumar, native of Hyderabad. I am working for Rajdeep and Associates. I am looking after cement sectors in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. I am having 1.5 year experience with ExxonMobil. I like my current role as DLE because it is a very good opportunity to learn about industrial applications and develop my career. My hobbies are watching movies and traveling to different places.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhijit Tiwari. My native place is Umaria. My reason of the working is Indore and Bhopal. I am looking for the Reliance plant. I am a very good chess player.
Hello everyone, I am Vineet Nandedkar. I belong to Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I will look after Nashik and peripheral districts as my region. I do have total 3 years of experience at Grindmaster machines and NRB bearing. The technical challenges and the problem solving skill required for this job made me grab this opportunity to work with ExxonMobil. My hobbies are cycling and trekking.
Hello everyone, my name is Manikandan. My native is Trichy and I am working for Vivaja Enterprises and it is based out of Chennai. I have an experience of 3.5 years in automobile sector as a technical service engineer and I am working in the ExxonMobil for the past 5 months. Everything has to move on in this world, so to make a smooth move, lubrication is must. So I like to be in this field. My hobbies are handling, aquascaping.